Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, you will find out how to make AI images with Ideogram's AI free plan. If you're looking to make AI images with Ideogram, then here's how you can do it, so watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Google browser or any other browser that you're using and search for Ideogram. Go ahead to click on the first link that pops up. You'll be directed to the main page of Ideogram's website, where you'd need to sign in with an account. You can use your Google account, Apple, or your Microsoft account. Once signed in, you can click on See Our Plans option to check all the paid plans of Ideogram, like the Basic, Plus, and Pro plans. But as far as this video is concerned, we're going to use the free plan, so go back on the main page. This is where you can add in your prompts to create any AI image that you want. You can select desired ratio from this option, change the style by clicking on the Style option. You can even create a custom character to use in your AI images, and you can even change or select the colors you want in your image once you're setting the picture up. Now just prompt it to make the image you want. Just add in all the details of the image that you want and click on Generate. You can see it'll start creating the AI images according to your prompts, and in just seconds it'll provide you with 4 different images of just one prompt. Select the one that you like and you can download it from this download button. And that is how you can easily make AI images with Ideogram's AI free plan. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.